Good evening, this is Keith All. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be speaking about how you can add a Google Map using the Builderall platform, and I'll show you this on a particular tutorial website that I have. So here I am in the Builderall back office, and I'm already editing one of my sites that I typically do tutorials on. So your first step to add a Google Map is first go to Google Maps. So basically what you want to do is come over. You have to be logged into your Google account, and up here in the upper right hand corner you have an icon where if you click on it, it'll display all your Google applications. And if you yours may look differently, and you may have to click on more down here, but mine shows up here. So I'm going to click on Google Maps. Give it a second to load. And if you don't have that particular menu that I showed you through by clicking on the Google applications, just navigate to google.com/maps, and it'll bring you to the same location. So up here in the upper left hand corner, I'm going to click on the menu. Give it a second to load. And basically what you want to do is you want to get yourself a location. You could either search by city and state, or you can pick a particular location by typing in the exact address up here. I already searched for other locations prior, so this is why this comes up here. So I'm just going to use this for tutorial purposes, and I'm going to select this particular location and address. Give it a second to load. I apologize for it loading slowly. So what you want to do is you want to be able to embed the address into your website. So what you want to do is, this is the address that I just looked up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the share button here. So what you want to do, you don't want to copy this link that's here. What you want to do is you want to embed the map. So you want to click on this tab here. And what you want to do is you want to copy this code here, this HTML code here. So you could do that by clicking on this icon here. As you can see, it highlights it, so it copied it to my clipboard. I'm going to go back to my editor. You're going to come over here to your left, and you want to add an element by clicking on this plus sign. You want to scroll down until you see the element apps down here. So I'm going to click on that. And what you want to do is you want to add an HTML box. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to size it a little bit. What you want to do is you want to right click on this HTML box, and you want to edit it. And what you want to do is you want to paste that embed code in this area here. So you could delete this and then just copy that code in here. Click confirm. And as you can see, it copied the map in here. So I'm going to resize it, move it around. And as you can see, you have this Google map right here. But you could also see that the HTML box is expanded beyond the size of the map. So what you want to do, as you can see, I'm resizing the HTML box, but the map doesn't resize with it. The way that you could do that so it resizes, you want to right click on this, click edit, and what you want to do is you want to edit this HTML code. And what you're looking for is the width and height attribute of this HTML code. And what you want to do is you want to keep the double quotes, and you want to type in 100% with the actual percent sign on both these attributes. 100%. So click confirm. As you can see, it resized to the size of the HTML box. Now watch what happens when I resize the HTML box, either by width or by height. As you can see, the map resizes with it. Okay. There's also another way that you could make this basically the full width of your screen. And the other way, you can right click on this. See this option here? It says width 100%. So when I click on or check this checkbox, what happens is the width of this HTML box will expand the entire reach of my screen. Close out of this. As you can see, that's what it does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview this website. I have to first save it. Click save. Okay, now I'm going to come up here and preview it as if it was already live. I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see, here's the Google map. Here's the actual address here in the upper left hand corner. And here's the pinpoint that it says. So if I click on this, actually I thought it would open up another tab, but maybe that's not the functionality of this. But anyways, if I come over here, I could click on directions. It opens up a tab by doing it this way. And basically you could just, once it loads, you could type in your from address, and then you could get your directions. And that's what you do. So I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. And please, I encourage you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot more trainings in the future working with digital marketing products like Builderall and the Mailing Boss autoresponder that comes with the Builderall platform. I also work with other digital products because my clients work with other applications, so I have to learn those too. So look for those in the future. Again, thank you for stopping by. Again, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notifications. That way you'll always get notified when I get more tutorials and trainings loaded to my channel. Thanks again, and have a great evening.